Welcome to this video on effective job searches. After watching this video, you'll be able to recall job search basics and discuss the benefits of professional networking. A good resume is very important in a job search because it's the first thing that gets you noticed. The resume highlights your work experience, skills, and accomplishments in clear language. It also tells your potential employers why you're a good fit for the position you've applied for. You can succeed in your job search by researching opportunities, building a professional network, creating and maintaining a baseline resume, applying for jobs, attending interviews, following up after your interviews. Most of us rely on posted job descriptions on online job sites and company career pages for opportunities. This is a good thing to do, but it should not make up the entirety of your job search efforts. It's a fact that up to 70% or more of job openings at any given time are never posted. So, by only focusing on the published jobs, you're missing out on a majority of the available opportunities. The best way to tap into this hidden job market is professional networking. Networking helps you build a group of contacts in your profession, industry, and common interests, opening up the hidden job market and expanding your social circle. A network can include not only your friends and relatives, but should extend beyond those as well. You should develop your network throughout your career, even when you're not looking for work. People in your network may know of job openings or potential hiring managers and be able to connect you through referral or introduction. Networking is an ongoing effort regardless of your job status. People who are good at networking find that they're usually helping others, and if done well, when they need help, their network supports them even if they don't ask. A strong professional network provides several advantages. It can help you advance in your career, access new opportunities, and stay informed about market trends and emerging technologies. You can build a professional network by using the following workflow. Define why you want to network. Leverage existing connections. Attend events in your domain. Join professional organizations. Use online platforms. Conduct informational interviews. Attend alumni events. Volunteer for industry-related events. Defining what you want from networking depends on your professional, social, or technical goals. You may want to network because you're looking for job opportunities, mentorship, or industry insights. You may also want to network because you're seeking potential clients, partnerships, or investors. When defining your networking goals, you should identify the target network, set clear and measurable goals, specify what you can offer, and adjust your strategy periodically. Most people think that professional networking is separate from the rest of their lives. You should start with the people already around you, such as your friends, family, current and former colleagues, and classmates. Contact them and share your networking goals and see if they know of anyone that would be good for you to connect with. Attending networking events in your domain is beneficial for several reasons. When you attend events, you get the opportunity to meet industry peers, potential partners, and future collaborators. You also get to learn about emerging trends, new technologies, and market shifts. Networking events open doors to career opportunities and enhance your ability to pitch yourself or your business. Joining a professional organization can help you obtain certification and accreditation for your skills and knowledge. Professional organization members often receive discounts on conferences, courses, and publications. To build your network, you should sign up for a professional association, special interest group, SIG, or industry organization in fields, subjects, industries, or roles in which you have an interest. Online platforms such as LinkedIn, Dice, Indeed, and Glassdoor provide tons of resources for building a strong profile. You should use these platforms to join discussions, post comments, and participate in knowledge-sharing activities. Informational interviews are used to gather insight, build connections, and explore career opportunities. Unlike a job interview, it's an informal conversation focused on learning rather than applying for a position. You should use informational interviews to get first-hand perspectives on workplace dynamics, expectations, and growth potential. Informational interviews demonstrate your curiosity, ambition, and proactive approach to career growth. Alumni events play a key role in professional network building by allowing you to connect with people with shared educational backgrounds. Reconnect with former classmates, professors, and school mentors, and strengthen your relationships with them. Many alumni events feature recruiters, business leaders, and hiring managers. Learn firsthand about opportunities at companies where alumni work and get an insider perspective on company cultures, roles, and hiring processes. Volunteering for industry-related events lets you gain experience in communication, teamwork, and event management. When you volunteer your time and effort, you contribute to industry growth. Being an active participant makes you more recognizable in your field and increases your credibility. In this video, we reviewed the basics of an effective job search and provided a detailed workflow for building your professional network. It's a fact that up to 70% or more of job openings at any given time are never posted. If you focus only on the published jobs, you miss out on a majority of the available opportunities. A strong professional network can open up the hidden job market and help you advance in your career, access new opportunities, and stay informed about market trends and emerging technologies. You can build a professional network by using the following workflow. Define why you want to network, leverage existing connections, attend events in your domain, join professional organizations, use online platforms, conduct informational interviews, attend alumni events, and volunteer for industry-related events.